Our second topic for today is writing a quadratic equation or function through points. So we need 3 points in order to do that. And the first thing we do with those points is substitute them into the quadratic function. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now in this case, what we're looking for are our a, b, and c. What we know are our x and y, the ordered pairs. So we're going to write a system of equations to solve for a, b, and c. So using my first ordered pair, -5 is y, x is 1. Simplifying, we get -5 equals a plus b plus c. Second one, we have y is 5 and x is 3. 3 squared gives me 9. And our last one, y is 16, and our x is 4. So 4 squared gives us 16. All right, now we have a system of 3 equations, and we know how to solve a system of 3 equations. I'm sure you're excited to be seeing this again. So we pick 2 of the equations to, I'm just going to show all the steps because I'm going to need more room to work. We use 2 of the equations to get one of the variables to cancel. Now looking through here, they're all going to be fairly easy to cancel because our first equation is a plus b plus c. They all have a coefficient of 1. But all of our c's have a coefficient of 1. So I'm going to take these 2, and we'll go ahead and make the first ones negative and add them together. So I get 5 plus 5 is 10. Negative a plus 9a is 8a. Negative b plus 3b is 2b. And then we have our c's canceling. I'm going to repeat that process with my second 2 equations. Actually, since I've already made my first one negative, I'm going to go ahead and use my first and third. So 5 plus 16 is 21. Negative a plus 16a is 15a. Negative b plus 4b is 3b. And our c's cancel again. So now we're going to look at our blue and purple equations and get a variable to cancel. So I'm going to try and get my b's to cancel because they're smaller numbers. So I'm going to multiply this by -3. I'm going to multiply this by 2. So I get -30 equals -24a minus 6b. My second equation becomes 42 equals 30a plus 6b. Adding them together, I get 12 equals 6a. So a equals 2. Once you have one of the variables solved for, just start back substituting. We have our blue and purple equations that we can use to solve for b. My blue equation has smaller numbers, so I'm going to substitute into that one. So I've got 10 equals 8 times 2, my a value. Subtracting 16 from both sides and dividing by 2. My b value is -3. And going back to my original green equations, I'm going to use the very first one. We had -5 equals a plus b plus c. 2 minus 3 is -1. Adding that to my -5, I get a c value of -4. So my quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c.